Natural gas, daily forecast June 15, fxempire.com. The nat gas markets had an absolutely smashing rally for the session on Friday as a weaker than expected build, or lower than expected storage numbers, came out of the United States for the nat gas markets. This is a brutally bullish, candle, and as such, this looks like it will more than likely have a little bit of follow through. We still don't know if we're ready to buy the bullish case yet, but having said that, we certainly don't want to step out in front of some type of mood like this and try to sell. We see potential for 280 and $3 to be resistive, and we would be willing to sell weak candles at those areas. However, our experience tells us that a move like this very typically will have a little bit of follow through, even if it is a false move. This is only one report, so we would need to see a pretty significant string of them, at least a couple, in order to think that the natural gas use is starting to expand rapidly. It's more or less a knee jerk reaction and could be more or less short covering. We also see the 260 level as potential resistance, but it more than likely will be the lesser of the three. We still feel that ultimately this is a long term bearish market that should be sold. However, if we were to get a daily close above $3, which is very unlikely over the next couple sessions, but if it were to happen, we would have to change our attitude on this market and begin to look at it as a bull market. The reality is that more than likely there's just going to be far too much supply to have much more of a rally. Again, as it runs into resistance, eventually it'll peter out, and we will begin to understand if there's more buyers or if it's more or less short covering.